distance from point P to the points 2, 3 and 2, minus 3 are in the ratio 2:3. Then find the equation of locus of. The solution is as follows. Let P x, y be any point on the locus. Given that A 2, 3 and B 2, minus 3. Also it is given that the distances of point P to the points 2, 3 and 2 and minus 3 are in the ratio 2:3. So we may arrive at PA by PB is equals to 2 by 3, which implies 3 into PA is equals to 2 into PB. Squaring this expression on both sides. Squaring on both sides. We get 9 PA square is equals to 4 PB square. Therefore, 9 into PA square x minus 2 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square is equals to 4 into x minus 2 whole square plus y plus 3 whole square. Expanding 9 into a minus b whole square form. X square plus 4 minus 4x plus y square plus 9 minus 6y is equal to 4 into x square plus 4 minus 4x plus y square plus 9 plus 6y. After rearranging, we have 9x square minus 4x square, 9y square minus 4y square, 9 into 4 minus 36x, 4 into 4 plus 16x, 9 into 6 minus 54y, 6 into 4 minus 24y, 4 plus 9, 13, 13 9s, 117, 4 plus 9, 13, 13 4s, 52 is equal to 0. Now this is 5x square plus 5y square minus 20x minus 78y plus 65 equal to 0 is the required equation of locus.